एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डायफेंटाइन इक्वेशन। हमने ऑलरेडी डायफेंटाइन इक्वेशन से रिलेटेड थियरम्स प्रूव कर लिए हैं। सो टुडे वी आर गोना स्टार्ट क्वेश्चंस। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सॉल्व द डायफेंटाइन इक्वेशन 5x plus 12y equals to 80 and examine solution in positive integers. Okay, now solution. The given equation is 5x plus 12y equals to 80. Now let a equals to 5, b equals to 12 and c equals to 80. हमें पता था कि ax plus by equals to c. ये टू वेरिएबल्स के लिए दिस इज द डायफेंटाइन इक्वेशन. नाउ कंपेयरिंग बोथ ऑफ दिस हमें क्या मिला? a equals to 5, b equals to 12 and c equals to 80. Here GCD of a comma b equals to GCD of 5 comma 12 equals to 1. इसे हम d ले लेते हैं. So d and d obviously divide c. dc को डिवाइड करेगा ना, because we know that 1 divide 80. okay, therefore equation 1 is solvable. okay, here 12 equals to 5 into 2 plus 2 and 5 equals to 2 into 2 plus 1. अभी ये अगर आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, सो यू कैन जस्ट डिवाइड 12 by 5. सो 5 into 2 10, 2. okay, 2. now 5 comes here, 2 into 2 4, 1 divide 2, 2 into 2. जैसे हम बचपन में जीसीडी निकालते थे, सो यू कैन do it like this. Therefore 1 equals to 5 minus 2 into 2. From this हम यहाँ से 1 equals to 5 minus 2 into 2 कर सकते हैं. that is equals to 5 into 1 minus 2 into 12 minus 5 into 2. okay, we can write 2 as 12 minus 5 into 2, that is 12 minus 10, which is 2. that is equals to 5 into 5 plus 12 minus 2. इसे सिंप्लीफाई करें तो ये आएगा. दैट इम्प्लाई हमें क्या मिला? 5 into 5 plus 12 into minus 2 equals to 1. now multiplying both side by 80, we can get 5 into 400 plus 12 into minus 160 equals to 80. तो हमारे पास क्या था? पहले हमारे पास था we first have 5x minus 12y, 5x plus 12y equals to 80. from there we get 5 into 400 plus 12 into minus 160 equals to 80. okay, therefore x0 equals to 400 and y0 equals to minus 160 is initial solution. of 5x plus 12y equals to 80. therefore the general solution is x equals to x0 minus b by d into t which is equals to 400 minus 12t, and y equals to y0 plus a by d into t, which is equals to minus 160 plus 5t, जहाँ पर t belongs to set of integers. Now for the second part. For positive integers, for positive integral solution, x greater than 0, y greater than 0. अगर solution positive होगा, so x and y will be greater than 0. That imply 400 minus 12t is greater than 0. Okay, and minus 160 plus 5t is also greater than 0. That imply t is less than 100 by 3 and t is greater than 32. अगर सिंप्लीफाई करें तो हमें यही मिलेगा. That imply 32 less than t less than 100 by 3. That imply t is equals to 33, because हमें पता है 100 by 3 equals to 33.33. Okay, so t equals to 33. Therefore, the required solution in positive integer is x equals to 4 and y equals to 5. Now the second Diophantine equation, 35x minus 13y equals to 10. Solution. The given Diophantine equation is, the given Diophantine equation is 35x minus 13y equals to 10. Now let a equals to 35 and b equals to 13, c equals to 10. क्योंकि हमें पता था x minus by equals to c, ये सेकेंड टाइप ऑफ इक्वेशन होता है. ओके, तो x minus by equals to c के साथ 35x minus 13y equals to 10 को हम अगर कंपेयर करें तो a equals to 35, b equals to 13 and c equals to 10 आएगा. Here GCD of 35, 13 equals to 1 equals to d, suppose. Okay, and d divide c, because 1 divide 10. Here 35 equals to, अभी हम 35 की GCD निकाले तो 35 डिवाइडेड बाई 13 2 26 आएगा. 9 डिवाइडेड बाई 13 1 9 आएगा. सो 4 डिवाइडेड बाई 9 2 8 आएगा. 1 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 इंटू 2. ओके, सो 35 इक्वल्स टू 13 इंटू 2 प्लस 9. 13 इक्वल्स टू 9 into 1 plus 4 and 9 equals to 4 into 2 plus 1. Therefore 1 equals to 9 minus 4 into 2. By this equals to 9 minus, अभी 4 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, 13 minus 9 into 1. So 13 minus 9 into 1 into 2. This is equals to 13 into minus 2 plus 9 into 3 by simplifying. Okay, simplify करते हैं यही आएगा into 13 into minus 2 plus 35 minus 13 into 2. 9 को हम 35 minus 13 into 2 लिख सकते हैं. So 35 into minus 13 into 2 into 3. This is equals to 35 into 3 plus 13 into minus 8. So this imply 35 into 3 plus 13 into minus 8 equals to 1. Now multiplying both sides by 10, we get 35 into 30 plus 13 into minus 80 equals to 10. That implies we can also write this like 35 into 10 minus 13 into 80 equals to 10. This implies x0 equals to 30, y0 equals to 80 is the initial solution. Therefore, the general solution is given by x equals to x0 plus b by d into t and y equals to y0 plus a by d into t. This implies x equals to 30 plus 13t by putting the values, and y equals to 80 plus 35t, जहाँ पर t comes from integers. Okay. Second part, for solution in positive integer, x has to be greater than 0, also y has to be greater than 0. That implies 30 plus 13t is greater than 0 and 80 plus 25t also greater than 0. That implies t is greater than minus 30 by 3 and t is greater than minus 16 by 7. That implies t equals to minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. The solution in positive integers is x equals to 30 plus 13t and y equals to 80 plus 35t for t equals to minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, ...